Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make gradient text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make gradient text in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Select the Draw Text Box option and draw a text box. Then write anything on this text box. Then select the text and go to the text box menu. Then increase the size. Then applying the bold effect. Then select the text and go to the text fill option. Then go to fill effect. Then check mark on the gradient fill and applying the gradient color. Then click OK. Now we can see we make gradient text to this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.